try this again. This is Julie.
This is Robert.
Hey, and it's our thing. So yeah, anyway, what we're doing this time is we're doing a new driver kids kind of car maintenance haul. All of this stuff pretty much was got at Dollar Tree, and this is like a gift basket that you can use when you get a new driver in the family. So it's all the things that they might want to use to keep their car nice and clean and look good. So what all did we get?
You're the one that got it.
I guess I am. I am the one that got it. All right, so we'll start off. We went down the aisles and...
no, he went down these aisles.
She went down other aisles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she left me by myself.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah. So anyway, we picked up a whole bunch of things from Armor All. I did, anyway. She was down another aisle. And they come in these nice, convenient spray bottles. One of them is a tire dressing called Tire Shine. Another one is a glass cleaner. And then another one is just a general old-fashioned Armor All protectorant. I also got some carpet cleaner. You never can have enough carpet cleaner in some kind. And then the usual things we got were soft cloths for wiping the outside of your car, taking the water off of it when you wash it. Some chamois for doing things like the chrome and the bumpers and that kind of stuff. A soft washing mitt, that's always good. And we got a big sponge, and Julie was giving me a hard time for getting a big sponge like this. And I said, well, it's easy. I just take it and cut it into 3 sections, and you got 3 sponges, and it works. It makes it smaller. One of the things we did do is we got everything in a box. We got a toolkit. This toolbox was $1.25 at Dollar Tree. $1.25. So anyway, we got it, and you can keep all this stuff nice and neat in this box, and then put it in the trunk of your car or the back of your car, so it doesn't roll around and leak and get all over everything, and keep it all self-contained. We'd also suggest getting a roll of paper towels, and I think we got some D-rings to keep your car keys on, so you can hang them on the key rack like we have here in the house.
Hang them on your pants.
You can hang them on your pants too. Yeah?
Yeah, you can put your keys on your pant, on your belt loop.
Okay, that way you show you got keys, so you look cool. Anyway.
Exactly.
So,
that's what the kids did when we were in school. Or when I was in school.
hell, I still do.
I forgot you're older.
I still do that.
I forgot you're old.
Yeah, I am old. No, I'm not. I'm not that old. Anyway. But,
We'll be in about a week.
What we're going to do in our next video is we're going to...
There's buckets. He forgot the bucket. You got to have a bucket for the soap.
Oh, yeah.
And then you got these clamps here. I don't know what he says these are for.
Well, I got the buckets actually so I could use them for pots for my aloe vera plants. But what I suggest is getting a bigger bucket to put your soapy water in, so when you clean the car and you wash the outside of the car, you got some place to keep your chamois and your water and your soap and all that when you're working.
You know what?
No, what?
You could do a rope through that and clamp these to your trunk.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea.
What about these?
Those are for my potato chips. What can I tell you? So, anyway, if you find this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe, makes us all feel good. And this is Julie.
That's Robert.
And it's our thing.
See you, bye.
Bye. Well, we forgot one important thing. All of this that you see right here from Dollar Tree cost us under $15.
Yeah.
All of it. So it's not a great expense, and it makes the perfect gift for any new young driver, and it doesn't break the bank. It's one of the reasons we did it.
Yep.
She's still Julie.
He's still Robert.
Bye.
Bye.